put in here. You see the loop we feel is the tension is okay now. It's okay, but it's too smaller because we want to make 4. Now maybe just about 2. So because the paper we use the sink is not enough, so you can increase 1 more layer. Okay, we can show it now. The finish loop, the tension is okay now, but just the diameter too smaller. So you can increase 1 more layer in here for the inside. So you can go like this way. It's too much. You didn't release. Maybe go faster. So in here you can keep this one. And here, if you feel this one not touch, you can put down this one. That it can cover the outside. Okay. Increase a little more. Okay, now we stop the machine. We see the result. Open. You see here, this side the diameter is bigger than this one. This is new making, this is old making. You see, diameter is bigger. Okay? And sometimes, if we make a loop, even your tension very high, it will open like this way. 看得见吧？ Because it will open like this way because the paper is too dry. You need to put some water inside.